I need.
It's either that or you got to go back to Chevrolet and buy the stock ones because they're a one-time use. You just throw them away after that.
All right, let's see what we get.
Stretched.
I only need 4 of these.
Yeah, 2 on each side.
Oh, okay.
One in the front, one in the back.
All right. They don't say how much it costs, but I don't want to open them, but I'm just showing YouTube what it is. So that's the world's leader in faster technology, ARP. Man, it's a lot, man. Just because I'm changing that cam, I had to do all of this.
Yeah, but once you replace those bolts, you won't have to replace them next time you're done. So
yeah,
so like you could have parts 6 more times and still have and still reuse those bolts. For the Chevrolet ones, it's a one-time. You use them and then throw them away.
It's expensive changing the cam, I tell you that. Because had I just got the motor and didn't change anything, I wouldn't have to spend as much money, would I? But it's
Everybody says LSs are cheaper, but they actually cost just as much as anything else.
Yeah.
You're not really.
I'm learning. All right. All right, y'all. Get back to this car, man. Okay. All right, y'all. I got the torque down to the torque at 15. Now it's time to tighten. Man, that's already. Wait a minute, don't tell me that's already. Is that what it's supposed to do? Time to unloosen it. Let's untighten it back up.
In the front yard.
Let's see what happened. Give me a screwdriver over there. Right there, right there. It's a flathead right there. Y'all can see that. It's the plastigage. Give me that measurement thing, Jojo. A little piece of plastic. Yeah, right there. See if we in specs. See that? I think we in spec, y'all. We right there. We in spec. It's right there. See that? Yeah. Okay. So we there. Alright, y'all. It's my first, as y'all see on camera. That's my first plastigage. we inspect. So I got my ARP studs. I'm finna, next video y'all see, I'll be bolting down all the main caps. All right, I'm out of here.